Okay, let's continue. You can use this method, you can use discriminant here, or you can use Desmos. How we can use Desmos? First, we have to write exactly the same equation here. To be honest, if I have this question at my exam, my SAT exam, I prefer to use Desmos. Because at Desmos, we don't need to do calculation, we have to just write here. So you don't have making miscalculation here. Okay, like that. Then you have to write it like this. X1 is equal to this 2. X1 is equal to, you have to use this bracket and this one. So answer is 3 and 19. Is it clear?
Can you send a screenshot?
Yes. Okay. Sezcan, did you understand?
Yes.
Meryem, did you understand?
Yes.
Great. Next one is 24. 24. It's also a good question. Also, I want to show you two methods here. Just wait. I will show you two methods. These two methods, one of them is, let's say, with paper, one of them is without paper. You have to open it. It will be kx squared minus 56x plus 16 is equal to 0. Is it correct? Can we write it like that?
Yes.
Okay, right. We can write it like that. It's the same. Is there any question? Because yani mesela belki başa düşmədiniz. But I am not sure. Did you understand or not?
Yes.
Yeah, we just opened it.
Yeah, we open it and we put that one here with plus. Okay, when we are talking about number of solution, if it's a no real solution, what about discriminant?
It will be negative.
Yes, negative. For one solution,
It will be positive.
yes,
No,
two equal,
positive.
right, equal to, yeah, equal to 0, not positive. Two solutions, d is greater than 0, right? After that, what we have to do? Discriminant is less than 0. It's a no real solution. So what's discriminant here? B,
K squared.
yes.
Oh
No,
no.
not k squared. B squared. B.
Yeah,
Okay.
B squared minus 416 and K.
K, right. So it is less than 0. Then we can write it like that. 56 squared. Let's put it that one here. Minus 64k. Can we write instead of 64 8 squared?
Yes.
Then we can eliminate 8 and 56. It will be 7 squared is less than k. K is equal to 49. So what's the minimum value of k? 50, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Again, I if I will have this question at my exam, I will prefer to use Desmos actually. Just wait. I am sending a question to you. Look there. That's it. Okay, let's continue. Here. For this one, kx minus 56. Do you know this method? How we can find this Desmos? I think no. Okay. Whatever you have, it does not matter. They can put very complicated equation here. It doesn't matter. You have to just write exactly the same thing to Desmos. Then you have to write instead of k y, and you will get something like that. It looks like complicated, but no, it is not complicated. You have to look at this maximum or minimum point. This one is maximum point, right? So when it is
Yes.
49, when y is equal to 49, it means that it is one solution. Because if you have y is equal to 49, they will intersect at one point. Is it clear? It's a trick. I mean,
Yes.
you don't need to understand why it is like that. You have to just learn it. You have to memorize it. It's a, let's say, trick. So because you have one point, it means that is one solution. When y is greater than 49, you can see that we don't have here any graph, right? Is it correct?
Yes.
So it means that there is no solution. Y is less than 49, so you can see that it is, we have two solution here. For example, if y is equal to 10, you can see that we have two intersection points. So for this part, it is always two solution. So that's why, because you say it is no solution and what's it, it is minimum value, it will be 50. Any question?
No.
Maybe you can think it is complicated. Yes, it is complicated for first time, but if you apply that one for 4 or 5 questions, you can see that it is very easy. Let's continue. 29, I think. This one. Also here you can do same method. I will also explain two method to you. It says that y, you can see this y is equal to that one, right? Two multiplied by -4 will be -8x squared plus 2bx is equal to 4.5. -8x squared plus 2bx minus 4.5 is equal to 0. Then you have to write 8x squared minus 2bx plus 4.5 is equal to 0. Then you have to just make discriminant equal to 0. Is it clear for everyone?
Yes.
Okay, but again, I don't like this method. Let's look. Just wait 1 minute. Just wait 1 minute. Sən əgər o dərsə qoşulmadınsa, mən sənin qalan suallarına baxacağam. Qrupa ya da sənə izahlı səslə izah edəcəm onları. Ola bilsin ki, 7-dən sonra oldu. Vaxtın olsa qulaq asarsan. Okay, let's continue. Okay, I will also show it is Desmos method. For Desmos method, it is same. You have to write like that. You have here also at Desmos 2 method. We have that one, 2y is equal to 4.5. We have y is equal to -4x squared plus bx. Then add slider. You have to make them intersect at one point. Let's try to make it. So now. Okay, say b is positive, so no, it's not correct. Okay, like that. Answer is 6. Is it clear? Tuhafsan oldu elə bil. Any question from here?
Yes.
No?
No, but can you tell me how, like, why do we need to put, like, move this slider around?
So you are guessing actually value of b when
Yeah, because 2y is equal to, okay,
yeah, you have to make them intersect at one point. This one.
okay.
But actually it is not very great method, but it works for most of question, but it is not a great method. Instead of that one, you can think it like this, right? Instead of this y, that one, okay? Like that. Then put instead of by, then look at this. maximum or minimum point, the answer is 6 or negative 6. Okay, you can also do like that. So answer is 6. So we have a lot of method, you can see. I hope you understand, both of you understand. 31. Okay, it's very, very good question. Let's look it. Let's look. 3x plus a. Then we can write it like that. Then then let's divide it by 2 maybe. Actually, we don't need to divide it by 2. Okay, let's use this one. X1 is equal to negative b plus square root of discriminant over 2a. What's value of b here, Sezan?
Like 24.
Negative 24 actually.
Yeah.
Negative, all of them. And c is that one, by the way. A is that one. Okay, that's right. B is negative 24, negative 24, will be positive 24. And what about discriminant? What's value of discriminant? What's your opinion?
It's probably it's a little bit complicated actually.
What? It's complicated.
Yeah, 24
No. Don't think
quite
like that. Don't think like that. Look here.
exactly 1 point.
So it is intersection point, and intersection point means that it's actually one solution.
Yeah, one solution.
Mean
Then
Could
it's
see.
0, maybe.
yeah,
And a is equal to 2. 2 multiplied by 2, it is 6. It's so. Do you understand?
yes.
Okay.
6. Why it became wrong? I remember writing 6.
You write also 6.
Yes, I remember exactly that the question was 6. I was even double checking the direct negative 6, but I think now it says it's wrong. I don't know.
Okay, I will look. Just wait. Maybe you press down button, maybe.
Probably.
Maybe. Okay, it's not problem. Oh yeah, it's C. Probably you press down button. It is not a problem. It is not a problem. It is not actually exam or trial exam. So actually here important thing is understanding every question. We have here hard question like 18 and 19. Maybe we look them at previous session, maybe. I don't know.
Did.
Okay, let's look second one.
The last 3 questions in the second exam weren't pressing, so I just left them like that. I didn't write them.
Okay, no problem. Gələn biz səhv baxdıq. Deyəsən səhv baxdıq biz. Ha, bunun səhvlərini götürdük, digər testə baxdıq. Məsələn, heç olmaz. Bunun səhvlərini yazdım desmosa, sonra digər testlərini tərsə keçdim, başladım ona yazmağa. Yox, daha doğrusu digər testin
Tamam.
səhvlərini yazdım bura. 3 var. Təzədən bax. 119 var. Ha, məsələn 19-u deyirdim, çətin sualdır. Elə baxmaq istəyirdim ona, amma düz idi deyə baxmamışam. Bu düzdür. 34, 37. By the way, we didn't talk about this question type. I mean, you didn't understand or you cannot press.
I couldn't press them, so I was like, okay, never mind. I will just send them. Like it's just 3 questions.
Okay, no problem. But we didn't look this topic. It is normal actually. Let's look three. Three is very
Okay.
simple. What did you write to three? Let me look. Okay, you write A, but answer is B.
I think I pressed the wrong button, up button. If I remember, it was B.
A is also correct, by the way, but I say greatest. That's why B is the answer.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
19. Okay, 19 is very good question. Okay. Also, it's a we have exactly one real solution. What's your opinion? How we can solve it? Also, Sejan, if you want, you can answer. Mariam, let's start from you. Do you have any opinion?
I think I don't because like I did it wrong anyway, so I don't know. I don't have any opinion.
Okay, maybe I think that maybe you learn from previous question how to solve it. Maybe. Sejan, what about you? Do you have an opinion?
I'm thinking just a second.
No, no, no. Don't solve it. Just tell me what we have to do for.
The discriminant should be equal to 0.
Yeah, right. So if you think we have to use discriminant, you have to make it in correct form. It is not correct form. We don't have something like that. Multiply it by 124 cx. Then, is it clear for everyone? Is it
No,
clear?
actually.
No? Okay. Why I multiply it by 124 cx? You can see that we have here fractions, right? Look their denominators. We have here cx. We have here 124. We have here c. Can you tell me what's common denominator for this three? It is
See?
no, no, no. Common denominator. Denominator means that
Oh, I got it. Like, we should multiply them all. Like,
just
124 CX.
yeah. We have to multiply by 124 6. I will back in 1 minute. Just look remaining part. Okay. Okay. So did you understand why we are multiplying it by 124 cx?
Yes.
Okay, great. Okay, after that you have to use discriminant. This one. Discriminant is equal to here b squared minus 4ac. Did you understand?
Yes.
So it's so. Okay. Then you have to calculate it. Then you have to find c, it will be negative 31. Okay, look it for 20 seconds. Then we will continue.
How we should do?
No, no, no. Just look it for 10 seconds. I mean, try to understand all of them.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, it is first method. I am sending that one to group also. Why it discriminant is equal to 0? Let's also okay. I am sending that one to group also. Okay, now let's look at his method with Desmos. Again, I prefer Desmos for this question. Look here, 1 over cx is equal to x over 124 plus 1 over c. Okay, if you remember, I say that for number of solution, when you have quadratic equation and number of solution question, you have to write instead of c y and another y here. Then you will get something like that. You can see that we have here a minimum point. What's the meaning of minimum point or vertex? You can think it that one also as a vertex. It decrease, then increase. So it is negative 31. Okay. So answer is negative 31. Is it clear? No. Hoşuş maddes.
It is clear.
Evet.
Necə? Tamam. Buna look that one at home for once. We will also look more question like that. Hi, Mir Sadik. Hi, Mir Sadik. How are you?
Hello. I'm doing great. Thank you for asking, mister.
Okay. Today we are looking to quadratic equation questions. Do you know what's quadratic equation generally? Do you know discriminant and etc.?
Yes, I know.
Okay, great. Did you ever prepare for SAT?
I have had preparedness before, but I did not. It was not practical.
Okay, okay. Okay, we continue, so listen them carefully. We have search for, I think. Yes, we have search for. Okay, also let's look this question. Well, okay, that one. I just want to show how you can solve it with Desmos, Mariam. Probably you solve it like this, right? Mariam, did you solve like that?
I think so.
Yeah, probably you solved like this. Did you use Desmos or did you do it by yourself?
I couldn't use Desmos, so I
Ah,
just did it myself.
yeah. Okay, then you use probably this method. It is good, but it is longer. It is my opinion. So my recommendation is writing this type of question to Desmos. Okay, it is same. You have to write to Desmos. In Desmos, we have some, let's say, short method of some questions, short solution, let's say, Mir Sadik. So you can write that one to Desmos. If it's a quadratic equation at number of solution, then you have to write instead of this letter y, and you will get it is graph. The answer will be, it is minimum value. So it is 40.75. 40.75 multiplied by 4 will be equal to 163. Do you have any question?
No, thank you.
Mariam, did you understand? Sezan.
Yes, I understood.
Yes.
Okay. So it's a very good method. Let's continue. 34. Okay. It's a product. I hope you know what's the meaning of product. Mir Sadik, do you know what's the meaning of product?
Product is multiplication.
Yeah, product is multiplication. Like that. Product of solution. Product of solution from V8. Let's write V8 theorem. Sezan, what's x1 multiplied by x2? For ax squared plus bx plus c.
You mean the like x1 plus x2 is minus b over a,
Yes.
and if we multiply c over a.
Yeah, right. We have to use this one here. It's a product of solution, so we have to take this one, c over a. Here, 33 is a, 33s plus r is b, and rs is c. C over A or S over 33 is equal to K RS. Then we can eliminate RS, so K is equal to 1 over 33. Is it clear, Meryem?
Yes.
Okay. Is it clear, Mirsadik and Sezan?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, let me also send that one to group. Maybe you want to look it. That one. Okay, and I think that's for question. They are very good question. It is related to also vertex. This one we didn't actually look at its function parts, but you can solve also this question. You can see that this 8 and -5. 8 is here x-intercept. Both of them are x-intercept. So we can see that is x1 and x2. Okay, now let's use also v at x1 plus x2 is equal to b over a negative. We have b, we have a, we have x1, we have x2. So we have to use this one. 8 plus -5 is equal to negative b over a. 3 is equal to negative b over a. And b is equal to negative 3a. Do you have any question from here?
No.
Okay, then we can write it like that. A plus b. A plus b will be a plus negative 3a. Negative 2a. Then if a is between 1 and 4, a can be 2 and 3. If a is equal to 2, it means that it is negative 4. If a is equal to 3, it is negative 6. So it is your answer. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. On those, but most students actually prefer using Desmos for this question. For Desmos, they are creating table for firstly, right here 8 and 0, -5 and 0. Okay, then write that one here. y1 ax1 squared plus bx1 plus c. You have to just write instead of x1 because it is x1. When you are writing 1, it will be automatically x1. And when you write here 1, it will be automatically y1. Then you have to put instead of equal wave. But you can see that all of them are 0, so it doesn't work. Why it doesn't work? Because we have here 2 point but 3 letter A, B, C. We can also enter this one. A is between 1 and 4. Let's write A is equal to 2. Then write here A plus B. You will get answer. Any question?
No.
Okay. 38. For 38, you have to understand interval method. We didn't look interval method with you. Now I am explaining it. For interval method, you have to make all of them equal to 0, 0, and 0. 1, -1, -2. Just wait. Right here, -2, -1, 1. Okay, then let's take any value from here. Let's say that -10, or let's take 0. When you put 0, it will be negative, positive, positive, so it is negative, right? So you have to write it like that, negative, plus, plus, and negative. After that, we can tell like this. When a is equal to positive 1 and -1, we can say that it will result with 0. When a is between 1 and -1, a is negative, right? So it cannot be positive, so answer is D. Any question?
No.
I am sending that one group. This is Pauline. Okay, let's continue this question. Just wait. Okay, awesome. Okay, this question. Again, same. A and B. A, B. F of 1 is greater than 0. So for this case, general, for interval method, bir dakika, just wait 1 minute. Just wait 1 minute. Projektör söndürün. Yəqin ki, ekran görünmür. Bir dənə ekranı da təzədən paylaşım. Ekran görürsünüz.
Yes.
Okay, great. Just wait one more minute. Okay. You have to write it like that. Da bu işlem diyelim. Okay, you have to write it like this. It is A, it is B. There's a case like that for this general interval method. It must be plus minus plus, or it must be minus plus minus. It cannot be plus plus minus, okay? If of 1 is greater than 0, it means that we can write it here 1, 4, and 7. If you write instead of that one, if you write 1 instead of here to here, you have to write automatically 4 here, but you cannot write 7. It is not possible. From here we can say that A is between 4 and 1, B is between 4 and 7. Okay? Then what's the possible value of A plus B? 7, 8, 9. For example, A is 3, B is 5. Any question? Do you have any question?
Thank you, Mr.
Meryem? Okay, Cesar?
No.
Okay, for that one, it's also same. Look, it is A, B, C. A, B, C. Okay, it says that when x is between A and B here, f of x is positive, right? So it is negative, negative, positive. Is it clear?
Yes.
Meryem says that, is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, if s is equal to 9, s is equal to 9, so it means that s is positive, right? So if s is positive, it means that r must be between A and B, right? Or r must be greater than C. Let's look. R is less than A, so it is negative. R is between B and C, it is also negative. R is greater than C, it is positive. Answer is B. Any question?
No, thank you, Mr.
Okay, I hope you don't have any question from here. Bizim group 1700. Okay, let's continue. Okay, if you don't have any question here, let's look that one. Nine, 24, 29, 31. Okay, 9. For 9, you can write to decimals. It's so. Write to decimals like that. Okay, I want to show it again. Okay, what we have to write here, Mariam, what's your opinion?
I think we should write the A plus B root B.
Then,
And then we should, like, there's x1, right? And then we should find it and then find the value of A plus B.
do you mean like that?
Yes.
Okay, but there's a case like this. There's a case like this. Think this one, okay? So here actually you make like that. You write instead of x1 this value, this one. Okay, just wait. And also you write instead of this x1 that one. When you have one equation, but when you have one equation but two variable like a and b, it is not possible to find this value. Is it clear?
Yes.
So for example, a plus b is equal to 10. Here a can be 9, right? And b can be equal to 1. Or a can be equal to 8, b can be equal to 2, right? We don't know what's the exact value of a and b, so it is not possible to find this value. That's why it is not correct. You have to open this bracket, okay? Then if it is one root, then its second root will be like that, right? Did you understand?
Yes.
Then you have to write. Biz neyse bakar biz. Ha, çok güzel. Then you have to write what's a plus b. Then it is your answer. Did you understand? Meryem? Meryem, can you hear me? Did you understand?
Yes, I understand.
Okay. So what happened when I wrote like that? I am telling to decimals, write instead of x1, a square root of plus b, a plus square root of b, and a minus square root of b, then make it equal to 10. Then it is a system of equation. We have two equation, two variable a and b. So it means that it's possible to find value of a and b. So that's why it is correct. It's so. Just wait. A plus b. I am sending that one to group. Look it at home. Okay, let's continue. Your next mistake was 21, I think. 24, 24. Right? Okay, let's look. 24. For 24, 2x minus u is equal to 0. x1 is equal to u over 2. Same for second one. X plus u is equal to 0. X is equal to, x2 is equal to negative u. U over 2 plus negative u. It is equal to 2. Negative 4. Did you understand? Meryem?
Yes.
Okay, great. Then 27, I think, but I am not sure. Let me check. Okay, we look 24, 29 and 31, 29 and 31. For 29, you have to write it like that. You have to just write the decimals. 3 multiple by 1 over 2 plus 2, 4 multiple by 1 over 2 square over k over 1 over 2. When you are putting here wave, it will calculate for you. Answer is 1.75. Is it clear?
Okay.
Okay. 31. It's also same. I am not looking at that one. Any question?
No.
Okay. Now let's look some question together. Just wait. Just wait 1 minute. I share some questions at my Instagram. I will show them to you. Demek buradan. Okay, let's look. Yok ya da yok. Yok. Tamam, buralar çeşmemişek kalsın bunlar. Okay, let's look this for question. I am sending to group also. Okay, well, I have one answer here, Sercan. Sercan, you sent two answer. Second one is not correct. First one, I think we make first one. First one probably correct. Yes, this is probably correct. Meryem, first one correct. Selcan, third one is correct. Mir, just wait. Mir Sadik, right?
Yes.
Okay, Mir Sadik, do you have an opinion for first question?
Not really.
Meryem, all of them I think correct, by the way. Okay, let's look first one. Just wait. 15 faiz bahsediyor. Okay. Can we say that it is quadratic function? Quadratic equation. Mir Sadik.
Yes.
Okay, so do you know when we have two real solution for quadratic
When
equation?
we have real solutions for quadratic
Yes.
equation. I don't remember, I'm sorry.
It is related to discriminant, if you remember. Just wait. Okay, how to find its roots? D is equal to b squared minus 4ac. Okay. Then x1 is equal to negative b plus square root of d over 2a. Do you remember this formula?
Yes.
Okay, great. So here we have okay, let's make it minus, let's make it 2. Okay, here we have this rule. If discriminant is greater than 0, it is two solutions. If it is equal to 0, it is one solutions. Okay. If it is less than 0, it is no real solution. Do you have any question from here, Mir Sadik?
No, I don't.
Okay, now you can do it like that. You can open it. It will be kx squared minus 40x plus 8 is equal to 0. After that, you have to find discriminant and you have to make it less than 0. Did you understand? More than 0.
Yes.
Okay, it's solved. Or you can use, let's say, short method with decimals. You can write it to decimals like that. For decimals, just write decimals.com. You will find it. Okay, I'm sending to group if you cannot find. Okay, so it is like that, right? Is equal to negative 8. No. It is kx. You have to write instead of ky. Then you have to look it as maximum value. This one. It must be less than 50. Okay. It must be less than 50. If it must be less than 50, it can be 49. Okay.
Okay.
So answer is 49 here. Did you understand?
Yes, I did.
Okay, great. Now let's look second one. For second one, we have some answer. Let me look. Okay. Serjan, I want to ask you a question. You say that you got like that. Just wait.
Yes.
Did you get like this?
Like, can I send it actually to you?
No, not K, out of this. Okay, let me solve it, then we can look also your solution. Okay, how did you solve it? How did you solve it? Just tell me, what's your first?
Just a second.
What's your first step?
Um, I'm trying to find actually.
Okay,
So 8x squared minus 18sx plus 8r is equal to 0. 0 and like We have to find discriminants.
Okay, okay, right.
Should I continue or?
Yeah, continue. Okay, did you find discriminant like that?
Yeah. The discriminant is just a second.
Okay, I am just writing. If you write,
It is greater than 0.
yeah, right.
S squared minus 4r squared is bigger than 0. Then we solve it and like 100 s squared minus 4r squared is greater than 0, and then it means that 100 s squared is greater than 4r squared. Then we
Just wait,
divide
just
sides by 4.
just wait. Okay, you put that one to second side, right?
Yeah.
Okay, then let's do it like that. It is 80, it is 16
Then
squared.
divided the both sides by 4.
Okay, you can do it like that, but let's divide it by 16 square. When you do,
Okay.
when you divide both sides by 16 square, it will be like that. Then it will be like this: 5 square s square greater than r square. Did you get also that one?
Yes.
Okay, then can we write it like that? Let's try to find r over s. R over s will be like this. Is it correct?
Yes.
Okay.
I
Okay.
think I sent it like that to you. Like, I didn't send them all, but
Yeah, you sent, I think, this part to me. Just wait. Yes, you sent something like this. You write that r over s is less than -5. But it is not less than -5. It is greater than -5. Okay, I am asking you a simple question. Let's say that r over s is, for example, a. Let's make it simple. So let's think it like that. And let's do here substitution. Let's write here a. Okay. Okay. What's your opinion? How we can remove this square? Is it a is less than 5?
that means A is less than 5.
Okay. Mariam, what's your opinion? Is it a? Is it correct? From here, can we write like that?
Yes.
Actually, no. It is not. It doesn't show, let's say, whole situation. It's not correct, actually. Okay. Let me show you. Can we say that a is equal to -10 here? Can we say a is -10?
No.
No, we can't say because a is less than 5, right?
Oh, yeah, I didn't think like that. I understand different.
Okay, can we say a is -10 here? No. So it means that is not correct. So it must be like that. Did you understand?
But why, like, 25 is greater than -10?
No. We have square. We have square here. Also, you can find it like that. 5 square is greater than x square. Let's look what we will have. Can you see? It is between 5 and -5. Did you see? Did you understand?
Yes.
Okay. And we say that r over s is k a. So a is greater than k. If a is greater than k, a must be also greater than -5. So answer is -5 here. Did you understand? So from here we can say that k is equal to -5. Karşı oldu bira. Zaten oldu. Çok uzun oldu tabii. Hayli uzun oldu. But we have, by the way, shorter method. I will also show you very short method. If you understand that one, I will show Desmos method. Any question from here? Sezan, do you have any question?
No.
Meryem,
No.
Mirsatik.
No.
Okay, I want to show you another method. You don't need to do this one. Şey de sildim, tenliği de sildim zaten. Bunlar kalsın yukarıdakiler. We have here R over S is greater than K, right? Okay, look here. If we say instead of S1, it will be very simple. Here also write instead of S1. So we will have equation like that. And when we are talking about number of solution, if you remember that if we write instead of Ry, we can get answer from Desmos. Okay. Between them, between these 2 points, these two solution. So it must be between 5 and -5. So right here, R, we write instead of R, Y, right? So Y must be less than 5 and greater than -5. So you can see that here we have two solutions. Then write instead of Y, R, and you can see that R is greater than -5, R is greater than K, so K is equal to -5. Is it clear?
Yes.
Which method is better? What's your opinion?
Obviously the second one.
Yeah, right. Second one. That's why try to understand this method. What happens if we write instead of R5? So when you have quadratic equation, number of solution question, quadratic equation and number of solution. Number of solutions. So use this method. But for understanding this method fully, you have to apply this method for 4 or 5 question at home. If you don't have any question, I want to look third one. Third one is very simple.
Yes, please.
I think Mirsadik, you can tell my answer. I mean, you can try to tell answer.
Can you repeat it again?
Just can you guess the answer for third one?
Guess the answer wasn't like C over A, I believe.
Yes,
I don't
again C over A, right? Then
I just write, so our C here is R is over 57x squared.
57. No, you don't need to write x squared. Okay, then this is equal to.
This is supposed to equal to what's it called? A C over A?
No, it is already C over A. KRS. KRS, right? So it will be answer. Is it clear?
Yes.
It's solved. I mean, it's solved for this question. Okay, and last one. If you don't have any question until last one, let's look last one. It was correct for Maryam. You're right for it's correct. Can you share your solution?
Me?
Yes, Maryam.
I can share, I think.
You can say.
So,
Okay.
fourth one, right?
Can you repeat again?
Fourth one.
Yeah. First one, last one. First one.
Okay. So we like do 3x plus p is equal to like 0.
Right. Why it is 0? Because we need to find these roots. And for finding roots, you
Yes.
have to make each factor equal to
Root
0.
is like it's swapped. It's like 3, like negative p over 3.
Right. Just wait, negative p over.
We did the same thing for 5x squared minus 45 is equal to 0.
Okay, just wait. Okay, it's also correct.
And the root of it is like positive or negative 3.
Yes, right. It's 3 and negative 3.
Total of like the sum of these roots are 0. And then we take 2x squared minus 16x plus 6p is equal to 0.
Okay, then
And the sum of the roots is equal to 16 divided by 2, which is equal to 8.
we cannot find x1 and x2 directly from here. Instead of that one, we can find this sum. And for sum, it is negative 16 over 2, so it is 8. right?
Yes. And then we just add them all, like negative p3 plus 0 plus 8 equals 8 minus p over 3.
Yeah, correct. Then you have to put here
And
the
then multiplied by 3, it's 24 minus 6. So we get out of these fractions. And the p is 4.
yeah, correct. And Sejan, it was also correct for you. These questions are very hard, by the way, especially second one. First one is also hard, second one is also hard. So if you are able to solve all of them, it is very great. Mirsadik, if you didn't understand all of them, it is not problem. After looking some question, you will see that they are also not very hard. Okay.
Okay, thank you, Mr.
By the way, where do you study? At which?
Me, I study in Dünya School,
Dünya School. Dünya IB or just Dünya School?
IB.
Okay, IB. Just wait. We look actually all of them. We look actually all of them today. Let's pass. Look first one and last one. Last one is a little bit complicated, but I believe you can find the answer. Okay, look first and third one. For first one, you can see it is similar with that one. Mir Sadik, you have to make each factor mean like this. Each factor equal to 0. Mariam, it is probably correct. Sejan, it is probably correct. Look, third one.
Not the second one.
You can also look second one. If you can do it, you can look second one. It's actually easy. Yes, look also second one. It's correct, Sejan, okay. Okay. First one. Uh, Mir Sadik, do you have an opinion?
Sadly, I don't.
Okay. Did you try to make all of them equal to 0?
Uh, we multiply everything by
No,
4 over 7 equal to 0, right?
You can mul
Each one.
you can multiple all of them. Can you repeat again?
So the first, we open the parentheses by multiplying them each by 4 over 7 equal to 0, and then x plus under the root 4k plus 7 equals to 0, like that.
Actually, I didn't understand. What did you say? I hear you, but I didn't understand. Do you mean opening like this or?
Yes.
No. It's not a good idea. It's a very bad idea actually. Actually, it is also okay, but not good. You have to just make when you have like that. Okay, look, ABC is equal to 0, right? Can we say that A is equal to 0 or B is equal to 0 or C is equal to 0? Can we say like that?
Yes, we can.
So here we have three solutions, right? A is equal to 0, B is equal to 0, and C is equal to 0, right? Okay, then we can write it like that. 4x plus 7 is equal to 0. So when they are giving you this form or like that, just wait, like this, it's also same. You have to make them separately equal to 0. Just wait. And also you have to make that one equal to 0. Okay, then for this one it will be x1 is equal to, or just x is equal to negative 7 over 4. For that one, x is equal to negative square root of 4k plus 7 is clear.
Yes, so far, yes.
Yes, and for this one, okay, like that. By the way, this question are hardest part of SAT math. It will be like this for 2 weeks. After that, we will look data analysis. It is actually very easy compared to this one. Okay, these topics are these topics are not very hard. They are hardest part of SAT, but generally it is not hard. Then you have to make equal to 0. When you write here wave, it will calculate it. It is value automatically. Any question from here?
No, thank you, mister.
Okay. Second one. How did you solve second one? Selcan.
So for the second one, what's the second? Like they have four. Oh my God, I don't know how to tell it. Like
4x out of bracket like that.
yeah, we open a bracket and x squared plus 22 x plus 117. Then we have a quadratic
Like that.
expression. I could say there, like inside the brackets. Then
I mean, did you write it like this? Actually, it is very short.
no,
No.
like the first one.
Okay, you write that like that. After that, what did you do?
Then like we are looking for two numbers that multiply to 118 and 22, like add up to 22.
Yes, and it is 9 at certain, right? It is
Yeah.
9 multiplied by certain, so it will be like that, right?
Like the pair of factors that works is 9 and 13, so it will be factored as x plus 9 and x plus 13.
Yeah, you're right. So answer is 9.
So then we like for the fully factored thing is like 4x and multiply by x plus 9 and multiply by x plus 13. Where our factor here 4x, then x plus 9 and x plus 13.
Yeah, it's all actually. I mean, answer is 9.
Yeah,
Bu kadardı yani. Başka bir şey ihtiyaç yoktu. Uzun ele bir şey dedin ama
yeah, I just like try to tell all the steps, so
bu kadardı yani. Bu kadar. It's all. Or you can write to decimals. It's also possible. 4x cubed plus 88x squared plus 468x. For when say factor, you have to take it as, let's say, opposite. If it is negative 9, it will be positive 9, so you will get 0, 9 certain. And which one is smallest one? 9. So that's my answer is 9. You can also do it like that. Okay, I hope also it's clear. Let's look at the last one. Okay, Mariam, can you explain? After that, we will finish lesson. Can you
Which one I should explain?
last one, please?
Third one.
Yeah,
Okay,
sure.
So, wait.
Maybe we look this question, maybe.
No, I know. I just forgot the words.
Opening.
So just we take the equations and like everything is 0 again. And first one is 4x plus 7 is equal to 0 and x is equal to -7/4.
No, no,
And then we take x plus root of 4x
no,
plus
no, no.
7.
Are you this one? This one.
Yeah,
Are you telling that one or first one? I think you are explaining first
I'm
one.
sorry, I read the other one. I'm sorry.
Okay.
I was trying to explain first one. Should do the last one, right?
Yeah, last one.
Okay, we just write 3x squared plus a, and like we with integers a and b. We expand it, and then we compare it with 6x in fourth power plus 23x squared plus 7.
Okay, let me expand it. 3x squared multiplied by 2x squared, 6x4 plus
Yes, plus 3b plus 2a multiplied by x squared plus ab.
2a squared plus 3bx squared plus ab is equal to that one. Okay. Okay, after that,
We get 3b plus 2a, which is equal to 23, and ab is equal to 7.
3a plus 2a plus 3b is equal to 23 and ab is equal to 7.
Is equal to 7. And if the 7 is like one of the possible, let's say, solutions, we write A1, B7, or A7 and B1.
Okay, it's correct after that. What about C and D?
Then we look at the non-integers part, which is like 3x squared plus C, 2x squared plus D. And then we expand it again.
Yes, then you will get all the same thing.
Yeah, we'll get the same thing. And then we substitute 7, and we multiply 3 times 7 over C plus 2C is equal to 23.
But 7 is integer, it must be non-integer.
Yes.
No, so you cannot put 7. 7 is integer, right? So you got
Yes.
like that. You have to calculate it. For calculating it,
Yes, CB is equal to 7.
yes.
We don't substitute it, we just 7 over C.
Okay, tamam.
Multiply by 3 plus 2C is equal to 23. And then we multiply by 3, like by C, I
Okay.
mean, and 21 plus 2C squared is equal to 23C. And then we open a equation of 2C squared minus 23C plus 21 is equal to 0. And then we do the discriminant part.
Yes, I understand, it's correct. But instead of that part, if you do it like that, it will be shorter. X5. So answer is 11.5 and 1. Yok, bir dakika. Bir sefere bastım diyesen. Okay, we have 10.5. It is value of C. It is value of A. So A plus C will be 11.5. Okay. So it's correct. It's correct. Says Anand. Meryem. It's correct. Okay, for today it is all. And write to group about your free time for Saturday. I think Nermin t-shirt write 14, but is 14 okay for you generally?
Yes.
Meryem, what about you?
Maybe we could do it even earlier. I mean, for me, it's fine.
You can write to Nermin Hanım, I don't know her
Okay.
schedule or what about you, Sejan?
I will be on my way to Baku tomorrow, but in the other weeks I will be able to
Okay,
come.
it's so important because we are actually making the two quiz every week with other students, but with you we cannot. That's why at least we must do one of them. Digər tələbələrdən həftədə 2 dəfə quiz edir, sizdən ümumiyyətlə elə bilik. That's why, okay, join this one also, it's important. Okay, for today it is all. Do this test again. I mean, Meryem, don't do it, but Sejan and Mirsadik try to solve it. Mirsadik, maybe they can be a little bit harder for you. If it is harder, you can ask me a question, okay? You can ask me some question. If you see you cannot solve it, then don't do it. It is not problem for now. And also we have here, this theory part, you can look here. For example, this question, just wait. Okay, look this question. I have this question, we have 10, maybe 15, this question at homework, okay?
Okay.
So read theory from here. Okay, for today it is all. Goodbye. See you.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Have a good day too.
Actually, I would love to say something. Like you said, like we should join, but for only for tomorrow, I can't. In the other weeks, I will try to.
Okay, it's no
But I
problem.
hope I can.
You say that for tomorrow you will not join, but starting
Yeah,
from next week
yes.
you will join, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's not problem. But write
Okay.
to group that one, write to Narmi teacher.
I heard it.
You wrote it?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Great.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.